Alright everyone, this is Chris, killing it with the shoe game. These are the stowaway stairs that will grant you patio access. Looks like hard work, but the awnings keep you cool. No pun intended, but Chris makes installation breezy. Just pop, lock, and drop it like an '07 throwback. As we take a quick trip up the stairs, you'll notice the sliding doors reveal an enormous garage. At 480 square feet, this is the largest unit we've ever built. So large, we were able to squeeze a second full bathroom into it. We'll show you numero uno in un momento. As we head inside, you'll see Kylie and Kira chilling at the dinette. We love this spacious open layout that looks like it was designed by Michelangelo himself. This unit is also full of small surprises, like this flip-up counter, perfect for extra workspace and pumpkin spice lattes. The loft is super roomy with enough space to lie down or sit up. When designing this beauty, we hit up the 1985 Bears and they gave us the refrigerator. All residential, all day long. Recliners are standard, so is that entertainment center. Atop the next set of stairs, we'll find the master bathroom with about as much natural light as a college football tailgate. The master bedroom, we'll go this way. The master bedroom features one of our specialties, the electronically tilting king bed. Gives you a lot of space and a lot of comfort. Oh, and I almost forgot about the telescoping dinette table for when Candyland gets serious. If we head outside, we'll arrive at my personal favorite part of this unit, a 25-inch griddle grill combo. Imagine the possibilities. Daddy? Sorry. Glow-in-the-dark Cyclone and ultra-sharp graphics on this unit will turn heads. Oh, and the garage comes with built-in outlets for your convenience, so you can easily convert this space into a bedroom, picnic, or work area.